Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe and enjoying good health. Today we are going to start our topic, that is articles and nouns, that is included in your grammar skills. So today we are going to discuss some important points, that are articles, two types of articles, uses of definite articles, uses of indefinite articles, use of definite article with noun. So these are some points that we are going to discuss in today's lecture, and after that you will understand all the points easily and you can solve the exercise easily. Okay students, so first of all we have to discuss what is an article. So an article is a word that is used before a noun. Do you know what is a noun? Okay, so let me tell you. A noun is a name of a person, place or thing. So an article is a word that is used before a noun. हमेशा नाउन से पहले आर्टिकल को यूज किया जाता है, एंड आर्टिकल ऑलवेज शोज द स्पेसिफिक और नॉन स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट ऑफ noun. A, an, and the are articles. These three words are called articles. For example, I need a pen. In this sentence, A article is showing the singular noun, is showing that a pen is only one. I want an apple. In this sentence, an article is also showing the singular noun, that the apple is only one. I want the green apple. In this sentence, the is showing the specific point of apple, that the apple is green. Okay students, so now we will discuss two types of articles. There are two types of articles. One is definite and second is indefinite articles. Definite article is the, and indefinite articles are a and an. Do you know why we call the word the definite article? Because it shows the specific point of view of noun. On the other hand, indefinite articles mean a and an show the non-specific point of view of noun. डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दी जो है वो हमेशा नाउन की का पार्टिकुलर होना, उसका स्पेसिफिक होना जाहिर करता है, जबकि जो इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल है ए एंड एन वो हमेशा नाउन के नॉन स्पेसिफिक और नॉन पार्टिकुलर होने को जाहिर करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कंपेयर ए एंड एन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, we always use a before words which begin with consonants. Do you know what are consonants? Okay, so in your alphabets there are 26 words. 5 are vowel words and others are consonants. For example, B, C, D, F, G. For example, a doctor, a big car, a girl. Okay students, so please focus on these examples. Word doctor is starting from the word, the alphabet D, that is consonant. That's why we are adding A with doctor. A big car. Big is starting from the alphabet, that is B, and the B alphabet is consonant. That's why we are adding A with big car. Next word is girl. Here girl is starting with G, that is a consonant alphabet, and that's why we are adding A with girl. Next rule is we use and before words which begin with vowels. As you know, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. जब भी कोई वर्ड इन वाउल वर्ड्स साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है, हम उससे पहले एन लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन एप्पल, एन इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म. As you know that apple is starting from the alphabet A, that is vowel. That's why we are adding an with apple. An interesting film. Interesting is starting from the alphabet I, and I is vowel. So that's why we are adding an with interesting film. Have you understood? That's good. Okay students, next one another use of an is we also use an before words that begin with silent H. Some words are that begins with H, but the sound of H will be silent. For example, a word is or. Spells are H-O-U-R, but the sound will be or. That's why we are adding and with this word, so it will become an or. Here H is silent. Okay students, so please focus on this word. A word that is also starting from H, that is house. But in this word, H is sound, H is pronouncing sound. इस वर्ड के अंदर हम H को pronounce कर सकते हैं. That's why we are adding A with this word house. Okay students, next we have to compare A, an and the. We usually use A and an with the noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. जब हम किसी noun के बारे में पहली बार बात करते हैं, तो तब उसके साथ हम A and an लगाते हैं. For example, if I am talking about a CD player, I am talking about first time for CD player. मैं CD player के बारे में पहली बार बात कर रही हूँ, तो इसके साथ मैं लगाऊंगी A. For example, I have a CD player. So I have a CD player. In this sentence, I am talking about the first time for CD player. And we talk about the person or thing again. जब उसी चीज़ या उसी नाउन को हम दोबारा उसके बारे में जब बात करते हैं, तो उसके साथ हम लगाते हैं the. कौन सा आर्टिकल लगाते हैं? The. For example, the CD player, the one that Mary bought. For example, I have a CD player. The CD player that Mary bought. Have you understood? पहले सेंटेंस में मैंने बात की I have a CD player. उसके CD player के बारे में मैंने पहली बार बात की, तो मैंने उसके साथ लगाया A. जब मैंने दूसरी बार CD player के बारे में बात की, तो मैंने उसके साथ लगाया the. Understand? That's good. Okay students, next two main points are, first one is A and an can be used with only singular nouns. Do you know what is singular nouns? Singular nouns are the noun that is only one. एक noun को हम हमेशा singular noun कहेंगे. A and an can be used with only singular nouns. A और an को हमेशा सिर्फ एक noun के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. Second point is the can be used with both singular and plural nouns. The को हमेशा हम singular और plural दोनों nouns के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. Plural nouns are two or more than two. So have you understood? Good.